Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can download pictures from Instagram. Firstly, open Play Store. Then download an app called Repos for Instagram. Remember that it has to be from this developer. Meanwhile, you can go into Instagram and choose a photo that you want to download. For example, that one. Click at the top right corner and choose Share to. Then tap on the Repos tab and go back to it. Pick one of the options, click Agree and tap on the photo that you want to download. Over here you can click on the little square icon to remove the label and tap the middle button. Now when I go into my gallery, I can see that my photo was successfully downloaded. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!